In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send gifts in Apex Legends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the Apex Legends gifting system. I'm gonna be talking about the limitations and the things or the requirements that you have to meet in order to be able to gift something and how to actually do it. So when you go into any item that you see, for example, on the store, and you see this option here, gift besides purchase, this means that you will be able to gift this particular item or bundle. You will see a certain amount of gifts that you have left, and you will be able to initiate the gifting by choosing this option. However, before you actually go here, I recommend that you go to gifting information. Gifting information will talk about all of the requirements and limitations that you have to be aware of. So there are three main things here: gifting gifts, receiving gifts, and good to know. I'm going to take note of the giving gifts, and I'm not going to give too much attention to the other options here, but you should read them on your own time. Basically, you need to be level 10, you must have login verification turned on, you must be friends with the person who you are going to be gifting for at least 2 weeks, you can give up to 5 gifts per day, so 24 hours, and you must make sure that you're gifting to the right account on the right platform and friends who are not banned, so you can send gifts cross-platform. So just keep all of this in mind. Level 10, login verification, you need to be friends with the person. They need to be on your friends list for at least 2 weeks. You can only send 5 gifts per day, and make sure that you are gifting to the person on the correct platform. Now, with all of this said, you can go ahead and select the gift option. When you select gift, you will see your friends list, and you will be able to find the specific person that you want to send the gift to. If you still don't have them added, then you will need to add them using the social system and then wait 2 weeks, because like I said, they must be on your friends list for at least 2 weeks. But once you find someone that you want to gift to, you just select them from here, choose the gift option, you will see the price in Apex coins here, so for example 500, and you can go ahead and send a gift assuming that you have enough coins on your account. They will get a notification like this on their inbox, and they can accept the specific gift that you sent. I hope I was able to help you on how to send gifts in Apex Legends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.